Hello guys, it's Kazim here. Thanks for tuning to this training video. Today is our class number 3 in Illustrator training. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a Netflix logo in Illustrator. I'll be providing you with the fonts and also the working file which I'll create in this project. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and hit the like button if you like this video, and also click on the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post videos like these online. So without any further ado, let's dive into Illustrator. Hi guys, welcome to the third class of the Illustrator training series. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create this simple Netflix logo with the text, and I'll use basic shapes to create this background, and also this light shadow effect I'll show you how to create in this video. I will also provide you with the fonts I'll be using in this video, so you can download and practice yourself as well. And I'll also leave a download link in the description to download this artwork file, so you can have it with you while practicing. So let's get started by creating a new document. I'll go up to file and click on new, and I'll create an A4 with a landscape orientation, and I'll click on create. So let's start by typing in the text. Grab your T tool, which is the type tool in the toolbar on the left side. The shortcut key is T on the keyboard. Once you click on it, on the mouse cursor, you'll see there's a cursor that changes, that you can just click and it will type some random text which you can edit. So I'll type the word Netflix and then click and drag this text, and you can come up to the top menu here and increase the font size. I'll just keep it to 120, and I can even increase it to 160, and then I'll click on the selection tool and click and move the text in the center of the canvas like so. And then to change the font type, you have to go up to this character menu, and the fonts I am using in this is BEPAS new. This is the fonts which we'll be using. This is the fonts I'll be providing you in the description. You can download it from. Once you have this font set up, then what you have to do is go up to the object and then go up to the envelope distort menu and click on make with warp. Once that's done, you can see the text angle has changed. For this, you have to click on arc lower. Default will be this arc, the style, so you have to click on this and go up to this arc lower and just select this, and then you have to just set the bend mode to around 18, or let's just set it to -11, and then hit OK or enter on the keyboard, and then click on this left edge of the text box and just click and drag it to the left just till the middle of the X, and then release your cursor, so it will just make the text letters come close. Once that's done, just click on your text box again and go up to object and click on expand. Go up to object and click on expand, and just make sure the object and fill is selected in this, and just hit OK, and then double click on this fill box to fill in the color of your choice. I'll be using red here. The color code is F91919, and hit OK. Then you can also increase the size of the text by clicking on shift. While holding on shift, click and grab any of the corners of the text box and click and drag, and it will enlarge the text. I'll just keep the text here in the center, and then now I'll grab the shape tool, the rectangle tool, from the shapes menu, and I'll click and drag. Then I'll click and drag and I'll fill in the canvas. Right now the color is red, we need black, so I'll just double click on this fill and I will click and drag the slider all the way to the bottom to choose a black color, and I will hit OK, and then just right click on this and go up to arrange and click on send to back. Then now you can see our logo is on top. Then what I'll do is I'll create that shadow effect here. To do that, just go up to the rectangle again, go up to the shapes menu again, click on it and choose the ellipse tool from this, and then click and drag, make a shape like this which I am making now, and go up to the fill menu here and choose this light gray color. Once you draw this shape, just place it. Once you draw this shape, just click on your selection tool and just bring it down here. Go up to the effects, go up to blur and click on Gaussian blur, and set the radius to 46.7 pixels. I'm using this for this training purpose, and just hit click on preview. You can see it will show up that effect, and click on OK, and then come up to the transparency menu on the right. If you don't have this tab open up, go up to the Windows menu on top, click on window and click on transparency here, and this tab will open up. From this transparency menu, you can just click on this opacity and type in the value 50. I typed it 50, so now you will see it will have a subtle slight shadow, and that's how you create the Netflix logo in Illustrator. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. So that's how you create a Netflix logo in Illustrator. If you do have any questions, leave your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. I have also provided you with the artwork file, which is the project file, the working file which I have created in this video. You can download it from the description links below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and hit the like button if you like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. Also, to check out more of my training videos, you can also visit my website kazimdesign.com, and you can also hit the notification bell icon to keep yourself updated with training videos like these. So I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Thanks for watching.